Hey everyone, if you are seeing the 0XC004F213 error code when trying to activate your Windows, don't worry, you are not alone. This error usually means that Windows can find a valid product key. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple methods to resolve this issue and get your Windows activated. So let's jump right in. First, let's make sure you're entering the correct product key. Sometimes a small typo can trigger this error. Double check that you are entering the key correctly without any extra spaces or characters. If you recently purchased a new product key, verify that it's genuine and hasn't been used on multiple devices. If you suspect your key might be compromised, contact Microsoft support for help. This simple step can save you a lot of time and frustration, so it's worth a careful check. If your product key is correct but you are still getting the error, try activating your Windows by phone. Press Windows key plus R. To open the Run dialog box, type slui.x4 and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instruction to select your country. Call the toll-free number provided and use your phone's keypad to enter the installation ID displayed on your screen. Follow the automated steps to complete the activation. The method is great if you are dealing with a hardware change or an offline activation issue. Still having trouble? Don't worry. Let's try the activation troubleshooter. Open the settings app by pressing Windows plus I. Go to Update and Security and then Activation. Click Troubleshoot in the activation section. Follow the on-screen instruction to let Windows diagnose and fix the problem. The built-in tool can often resolve common activation issues with just a few clicks. And that's it. Now you have learned 3 effective ways to fix the 0XC004F213 error in Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tech fixes.